Hello everyone and welcome back to another vlog here in Mumbai. And today I am leaving India. I'm going somewhere amazing. Actually, I'm kind of a bit depressed. There is kind of surprise, like a good news and a bad news. You'll know the reason later on in the video. So do watch it completely. Yeah. So right now, I'm packing and I'm almost done. I got a flight at 9. So right now it's almost 3:30. So let's change it up. So, yep, I'm ready. And yeah, so I'll show you my bags. Look, still a bit left. सब जगह पास आ रहा है. तो फिर वही अब मैं ख़त्म करता हूँ और जल्दी कैब मंगाता हूँ और फिर व्लॉग करता हूँ वापस. Okay, so everything is packed right now. My luggage, one of my luggage is right down. My Uber is arrived. So I'll be leaving right now and I'll vlog and see you in the next shot. Okay, so right now I'm in the airport and I finished my boarding and everything. I got my boarding pass. Look, it's Sri Lanka Airlines. So look. Hi. You might be knowing him, LV वाला बंदा. जो खाली LV के पीछे पड़ा था मेरे day 1 से लेके day last तक पड़ा था.
Actually मैं LV के पीछे पड़ा.
So this is our group. She's gonna miss me. I don't know why. But I'm still with.
Oh my god.
So this is Avdut.
Hi.
I'm gonna miss
Bubble
you.
wrap. This is bubble wrap.
So I just wrapped my bag and I told her to come, but she didn't come.
Make sure you edit that part.
नहीं ये साथ में आई नहीं मेरे. So right now we're heading to the immigration and we'll go and maybe after immigration I'll vlog again. So we just finished our immigration and everything else, and here we are in the duty free. So this is our professor. So we are going to Singapore.
Yes. It's a wonderful trip and you're going to miss Abdul a lot.
No, I'm coming with you.
Of course he's coming with us.
Okay. So you all might know her. Bubble wrap. Okay, so let's go. Now
Social media पे
actually we are fasting right now. Actually we are fasting right now. Me and Zahid. Keep quiet. So we'll go and have our iftar. Okay? Let's go. तो धीरे धीरे चल रहे हम लोग. ये bubble wrap, keep quiet. You keep quiet.
Don't edit that and I'll kill you.
I'll edit that for sure.
Hello, Mr. Mujib.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man. How are you doing?
Sir,
See this bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap वही बोला मैंने.
I'm already introduced.
सर मुझे छोड़ के जा रहे हो आप लोग.
गम लग रहा है पर ठीक है.
नहीं मैं आ रहा हूँ.
I am missing Abdul over here on the trip, but it's okay. We will go to the family and you will have a good time with the family.
Yeah.
Best of luck. I'm there.
जा रहा Saudi जाता. Right now we are searching for the place and me and Zahid is fasting, right? बोलना कुछ तो.
अरे मैं क्या बोलूँ अभी. मेरे को कुछ बोलने का मन नहीं कर रहा. मुझे सिर्फ रोज़ा खोलने का है. उसके बाद मेरा बीच मोड
दादा कभी कॉल आ गया. अभी बात करता पहले बाद में व्लॉग करता हूँ. So here's my food. He's eating.
I'm visiting.
Okay, then I'm leaving them here. So bye bye. Robis. सबको ले रहा हूँ ना इसे.
One take है. I'm one take.
He's not taking you, he's got only one ticket. It's like cute.
Okay, so right now I'm in the flight and what can happen. I'm sitting near a window seat, but there's no window. So I won't be vlogging much on the flight because you know the reason. Windows here. So yeah, 1 o'clock. If I get the chance to vlog again, I'll vlog.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
शुक्रिया और अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I just reached in Jeddah and my brother got me a coffee. So yeah, nice brother Zaid. He got me a coffee when I reached Jeddah. So I'm back home right now, and wait, I'll fresh up and vlog back. Okay, so right now it's too late, so it's about 5 a.m. so I did my suhoor and I'll sleep right now and I'll address you tomorrow in the morning. So good night. Okay, so right now I'm here in Jeddah and I was supposed to be going to Singapore, but actually the thing happened was my visa got my visa was on hold and I couldn't go to Singapore actually, and the flight was at 8:30 and my flight was at 9:15. So yeah, that was the scenario, and their flight was at 8:30, mine was at 9 o'clock. So I decided I'll go back home here in Jeddah. So I booked a flight, I got my passport, and I'm here. I'm kind of sad because I missed Singapore and Malaysia, both of them, and I was coming back to Jeddah on 31st of March to 31st of May. So yeah, that's the story. This vlog was for Singapore, not for Jeddah, but unfortunately this is in my destiny. Maybe somewhere else I'll go, and everything's happened for a reason. Even this is one of the reasons.